Hi there, John here from Romania. Today you are going to see another methods which can help you make a full-time income if you put some time into this. 1 hour per day at least. At the end of the video you will be able to generate $500 per day, so stay tuned to learn more. Welcome back to my channel. Here on this channel I am going to teach you how to make money online, active and passive. Trust me, passive money are the best. If you want to learn everyday way to make money, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Do not forget about the notification bell. This way I will notify you every day when I am posting new video just like this one. If you like this video, feel free to hit that like button and comment down below. Up in the right corner, other ways to make money. So let me show you the site and explain to you what is important for you here. You click on the first link in the description and go here. You see, this is a great software that helps seller on Amazon to grow their business and profit. If you want to sell on Amazon, you should consider this software because it is great. Maybe after you do this method from today for a month, you can start another business on Amazon. What this tool offers you see over here. All in one. Amazon SEO. PPC. The most important thing in affiliate marketing is that the product you promote to be a software that solve a problem and to have a free trial. This software have both of the option. But if you are not a seller on Amazon right now, you need to focus on one thing. Scroll down to the bottom of the site and find affiliate program. You scroll down again and see join now as affiliate. Up in the right corner, other ways to make money. You fill out all the information needed, and after you have your affiliate link, you need to go to tinyurl.com and short that link and save it to your computer. After that, go to Amazon, type in the search bar a product and open 20 of them. When you are in the product page, you need to see here sold by. Click on the name of the seller and ask him a question. Pay attention because every message you give here on Amazon must be different, because otherwise the Amazon will ban you. This is your only work to create 20 different messages per day and send them to 20 sellers. You can do more if you want. Do not do the mistake to leave your affiliate link in that message. Leave the seller some great info and how you can help him to boost his sales. Give him your Gmail address. You see here I already have an automated message created for another offer on my Gmail account. Up in the right corner, other ways to make money. Now when you go to Gmail, you go to the settings and you need to create a professional signature and a holiday autoresponder. Here you will have this affiliate link. If you like my video, feel free to hit that like button and write a comment down below. Consider subscribing to my channel and do not forget about the notification bell. This way I will notify you every day when I am posting new videos just like this one. Follow me on Instagram work_smart not hard, and you can find me on Facebook too under the same brand name. John was here for you. I wish you all the best.